Okay.
You could sleep 4 in here. Probably.
There you go.
It's recording.
Yep.
Is it recording?
It's recording.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna get my little thing, my little
Hop
GoPro
on.
action real quick.
Oh, I feel like one of your dogs back here.
Yeah. There you go. You got it?
Yep.
There's no seatbelts.
There's no seatbelts. This is a 1957.
What the heck is going on here?
It's a 57. Oh yeah, and yeah, you slam your door. Yeah, okay.
All right, so this is the battery meter.
It's a battery meter. Yeah.
Okay.
We have 355 amp hours.
Okay.
116 volts. Right. So 111 is nominal. So we're fully charged. Well, not fully charged, but we're like 90% or something.
That's pretty damn cool.
And
all right, so how do you start this contraption?
so then you have keys.
Yeah.
Back in the old days, we used to use these metal things for keys.
The contactors click.
Contactors click.
Yeah.
Now you hear the high pitch of the switching.
Yeah.
thing. Switch mode thing. Oh, and then we have a.
Your garage door opener.
Hey, what's going on, man? And then we're moving. So this is an induction motor. Okay. There's no cogging whatsoever, and I thought that Tesla had fixed the no cogging or the cogging issue with the inductance motors, but they haven't. I could totally hear it on my Model 3, on my wife's Model 3. You could hear the cogging. Okay, let's see. This guy's gonna get pissed because I'm walking.
So this isn't direct drive. This is a manual transmission.
Manual transmission.
All right, and it's manual drive, meaning there's no assist for power steering. It's all auto whatsoever.
There's no fancy.
Yeah, right there. Hold on for dear life.
It's got fancy stuff, you know.
It's got a clock.
It's got a clock. Yeah. A radio that doesn't work.
Yeah.
But you know, it's a radio.
But you have a Samsung.
Samsung tablet.
You have a Samsung tablet.
You know, I can't hate on them. This thing's been on 24/7 for almost 6 years now.
Wait, is that really measuring the RPM?
Yeah, that's pretty neat. What's that? Yeah. And of course, you know. So the other one over there doesn't work, but this side, it's got the turn signal, which is like a little paddle.
No.
See that thing right there?
Where?
Right there. Oh, you can't see it. You gotta go in here. Let me see.
Oh, man. And I can move around freely because I don't have a seatbelt.
There's no seatbelts in here. See how wide angle this is? Oh, you actually have a super wide.
That's awesome. Yeah, yeah, well, with the GoPro, yeah.
Yeah.
This is cool, man. This is awesome.
There's 4 people here, but like 6 cameras.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is a nice cruiser, you know, you can go to the beach. I mean, you put your friends in here, right?
Yeah.
And then you can stand up, the girls can stand up.
They can stand up and scream like, I'm king of the world. King of the world or whatever. Yeah, no, this is mean, man. This is awesome. So what are the next steps for it? Again, so you want to put a Model S drive unit
I
or
would put a
Model 3
S.
drive unit?
No, so Model 3 size or the small Model S
Yeah.
unit. Because it fits, so I don't know if you noticed, like the Model S's are hugely wide.
Yeah, right.
I think they're like a really wide car. This thing is not. This
Pretty
is
narrow.
this is smaller than a Camry. You know, shorter than a Camry. It's not here. It's on streets here.
Ooh, it's an open house.
Oh, check it out.
So what kind of attention do you get in this thing? This thing must get all kinds of attention.
Yeah, I mean, depends where you go, but yeah, people are like, hey, you know, growing up, I had one of these. My grandpa had one of these.
Right.
You know, or I love these old cars, whatever. Right? It's always someone had a connection to one of these growing up.
Right.
So yeah, it's always a conversation. This is before they even know it's electric. Once it goes electric, then that's another hour.
Once they see the back of it.
Yeah.
Yeah, they know it's
Or once they hear me pull in and out of a thing, they're like, what the hell?
Wait, so do people consciously know that it doesn't make any noise, therefore it's different and interesting? Like
Yeah.
when you pull out of a spot, is someone like, hey, that doesn't make any noise, what's going on here? Really notice?
Yeah.
Like, what? How are you moving that thing? Is it electric? Yeah. I look at the back.
And they're like, no, it's electric? You made it electric?
You're like, yeah.
Yeah, and that's usually how it
And you're
goes.
like, check out my YouTube channel. You're talking about
Here's a card. Go watch the videos. But yeah, I mean, it's a pretty simple car.
No, this thing is awesome.
There's not much to it. Yeah, the steering, you know, it's got that natural, you know,
Yeah.
typical.
Yeah, it's a little play, but it's all right.
The typical thing. I gotta fix the brakes right now because it's got disc brakes in front because
You converted the disc in the front because it used to be drum before, I think, back in the 50s.
and those just don't work. I mean,
Yeah.
you use a
That's
step
why it had
now.
brakes at all in the 50s.